This is the original. This is the mastered version. One thing that I like about this tool is that it gives you a lot of... What's good, people? In today's video I am going to show you a mastering tool that I've been using to get a clean and polished final sound in just a few minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get into the project. So the mastering tool that you are looking at right now is called SoundBoost, and it's an AI powered mastering tool that you can use to get a clean professional master within a few minutes or even seconds. So what we're going to do right now is to upload or import our mix. So we're going to select a part that we want to listen to when we master or when we compare the original to the mastered version. Yeah, I like this part. So we're going to press start mastering, and then it's gonna take just a few minutes to master your song. So it's done mastering our song. It's going to give you a default revision master, and then you can tweak it according to how you want your master to sound. One thing that I like about this tool is that it gives you a lot of control. So on your left you have a tab that you can use to change or to modify the mix. Most of the time when you upload a mix, it's gonna give you the default balanced settings. So let me just play you the default revision and let's hear how it sounds. Most of the time I like the default revision, but we can just tweak it a bit and let's hear how it sounds. So maybe let's make the de-esser a bit heavier and then manipulate the stereo width just to make it a bit subtle. I don't want it to be too wide. Then yeah, let's apply the changes. This is the original. This is the mastered version. Another feature that I like, really caught me by surprise. You can basically reference any song that you know, a song that maybe you like. So you can just search for it. Since, well, this track was inspired by Artwork Sounds, we can search for their songs. There's a song that I like, which is Glory. You must also remember the mixing is very important. If you can get your mix right, then the mastering phase becomes much easier, and it allows this tool to basically help you. You can simply look for the reference song and then apply reference. That's the only thing that you need to do, and it's gonna try by all means to match your mix to the reference master. And as you can see, it basically changed the loudness and also the color of the saturation, and also the de-esser is a bit heavier, and also the stereo width is wider. So let's hear how it sounds, and yeah. I personally do not like a very loud mix, but this is a very decent mix. It's very loud, it's very punchy, it has presence, but like I said, I like the default revision that I got. So another thing that you can use to further personalize or to modify the master, you can prompt this tool and describe what you actually want. Let's say, for example, you want a warm, smooth, polished master. Then you can describe, this is just an example, but you can describe the master that you want in more detail so that you can get what you want. Then you can just apply a prompt and it's gonna give you another revision. As you guys can see, this gives you a lot of control. You also have a custom EQ that you can manipulate to get the master that you want. So as we wait for this, it's done. You see, as you guys can see, it's very quick. So let's hear how it sounds, and yeah, we'll compare the before and the after. So once you're happy with the master that you got, we're going to say finalize mix. Then yes, it's gonna provide us with the final mastered version. Once you're happy with what SoundBoost has done, you can download as MP3 or you can download as WAV. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you'd like to try out SoundBoost, there's a link in the description below. Peace.